My name is John Perry. I met Dr. Eisenberg probably 2019 around October for the first time. Before that, in about 15 months, my shoulder had dislocated on its own about 8 times. Come to find out, I had no rotor cuff left and only had one tendon left of 4 up in my shoulder. So the doctor suggested for a total reversal shoulder replacement. And my experience with that was, it happened on January 14th, on a Thursday. I was released on Friday. Saturday afternoon, the doctor called me and asked me how I was doing. I don't know if any other doctors would do anything like that. The doctor came down to my physical therapist in Wichtown Physical Therapy. As you can see, I'm able to here, out the front, out to the back, the sides, and I can take care of business if I need to. So the doctor said he doesn't want me to lift any more than 25 pounds with my right shoulder. So if I say anything heavier than that, I do use my left. So I've been cautious, but I paint. I've power washed my house in the last month, which I have a 2-story home. I vacuum my pool every day. I weed whack. I mow my yard, and I've had no pain. Overall, my experience has been excellent. Wherever I go, whenever I talk, people ask me about my shoulder that I've been associated with, people I work with in Ocean City, and they just can't believe the experience, and I have passed Dr. Eisenberg's name on to everyone that I have run into. I have no complaints whatsoever. It's just been a wonderful experience for me, and I expect sometime down the road, I have no cuff in this shoulder, so at some point down the road, the doctor will probably take care of that for me. If not, my hip and my knee too. So he's been great, and I hope this video will help him out. Okay? That's me now, and I'm bionic, so to speak. And it's been a good experience. Thank you.